Good morning. So you can see that first method of reducing eddy currents in electrical appliances like transformer is to divide the large iron core into small sheets called as lamination. So you can see the diagram number 3 below. It has laminated core, which means the iron core, which is a solid core, is now split into single laminations. This reduces the magnitude of eddy current. And you can see the top diagram where the laminations also have an eddy current, but the size of the loop has become very small. The second method of reducing eddy current is by changing the material of the core. The core is now made up of high resistivity material like silicon steel. If the silicon steel will offer very large resistance and will keep the eddy currents very small. So you can expect a numerical or on efficiency of the transformer, or you can expect a question which would ask you to tell the ways to reduce eddy currents in a transformer or any other electrical device. Thank you.